What's going on, everybody? You already know it's the Dually King, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to show you about what's going on. Closed up for the next couple days. I got a whole lot going on around here. But first, I want to show you these wheels because I love them. So these right here is from my boy Riley. You know what I'm saying? Massive amount of lip. Those are what I call my 3D wheel. All in my ball milling, recessed cuts, and all of that stuff with the billet center caps. This is a 24 by 16, and I mean, man, just golly, that thing is huge. That thing is huge. So I'm trying to go ahead on and get his order wrapped on up so I can go ahead and get it shipped on out. But I got a whole lot going on. I mean, I'm talking tires stacked up in this room, the next room. You know what I mean? Rims ready to be cut here. All of that stuff. So, like I said, I got a lot going on. And then I also went ahead and just sold the black dually with the red interior. So it's actually going to its new home too. So that'll be included in this video as well. And it's kind of bittersweet. I love the money. You know what I'm saying? But that's a pretty truck. So I'm really excited to see what he actually does with it. So. But first, I want to go ahead on and start off. Hey, look, my CNC got delivered today. You know what I mean? So that's definitely a good day there. But it's definitely a bad day when I'm going to show you what they did to my parking lot. I specifically told these guys to bring plates. For y'all that don't know, when you're hauling machinery and you tell them to bring plates, that means that they put plates on the ground and they drive over them. It's like an inch thick steel. And they drive over it. That's to keep them from caving into the ground because, you know, you're talking 80, 90,000 pounds, you know what I'm saying? And it just don't drive over normal stuff. Well, I got my driveway asphalted. Well, they bring this big forklift, and I'm okay with that. But I told them to bring the plates. They didn't bring the plates. So then they just go ahead and just start freestyling, bringing a machine on in here and end up, you know what I mean, messing up my driveway. So let's take a look at what they did. So, you know what I mean, the guy pretty much backed up right here. You can see he dropped his tailgate right here and right here. As soon as he touched the ground, it started messing it up. You know what I mean? Which he should have stopped in. And then boom, pushed this down into the ground and rolled it and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Man. And then another spot there. And then you can just look at all of the tracks on exactly where he actually had drove. This parking lot dirty, it needs some rain. Yeah, another rut here. And then another one right here. And then a big one going in this circle right here. So, and then same thing. Going down through here, you know what I'm saying, and even crushed the concrete right here, you know what I mean. So all of that had, you know, pretty much could have been avoided if y'all would have just did y'all job. So then the guy comes in and say, hey, look, well, we want you know, it's time to go ahead and get paid. I bet you do think that it's time to get paid, you know what I'm saying. And so I told him, I said, hey, look, you need to call your boss. What y'all gonna do about my parking lot? He said, oh, we ain't liable. I said, oh, if y'all had brought them plates, you wouldn't have had to worry about it. You know what I'm saying? He was like, well, that ain't left up to me. You need to call the owner. So I called the owner. The owner's like, well, just go ahead on and pay them, and then I'll come out later and take a look at it. No, if you want your money now, you know what I mean, then I want this problem fixed right now. We need to come to some sort of agreement. I don't know you from a hole in the wall. So chances are, if I'd have paid you your money, you would have just never showed back up. No, that's not cool at all. So I was like, you know what? Screw that, man. I said, look, I tell you what, since you're going to come look at it, I won't give you no money, you know what I mean? And then you just come back and look at it when, you know, you get a chance, you know what I'm saying? And then that way, if you don't end up coming back, then I guess my equipment moving was pretty much free, and I'm going to take that money to get my parking lot fixed. So I don't know how much it's going to be to get fixed, but as long as they take care of it and make it right, I'm cool with that. But I didn't just sit here, you know what I mean, and spend all of this money on this parking lot, you know what I mean, not long ago, just for it to be, you know, get ruined like that. It ain't finna go down like that. So that definitely got me pretty pissed off. So, but like I said, it's a bittersweet moment. I got my new CNC machine here today. Sold the other truck today, you know what I mean? So it's a whole lot going on. So, but anyway, let's try and keep my mind positive and keep on going. But yeah, let's like I said, let's turn this over to something a little bit more on the positive side, so I don't get pissed off all over again. Anyway, let's take a look at this new CNC. So this is the machine right here. It's a 2021 Fidel 6030, and it's only 2 years old. And I mean, this thing is nice. I'm talking, it's got an auger system in it. It's got jets everywhere. You know what I mean? A massive tool changer, you know, everything. Yeah, it's got quite a bit going on. There's a screen. Don't know how much you can see it at, but this machine was definitely really taken care of. And here's the conveyor belt system. Pretty much all of your chips go down to it. It strains all of your fluid, puts it back and whatnot. And then it comes up this track. You put a barrel underneath here and it dumps all of that stuff for you. So no more with the shovel and stuff. I had to have an electrician come out and run new wire and everything with this big electrical disconnect. And man, this machine is a tank. It's a tank. Yep. So, and that's the whole cooling tank. I mean, that thing is massive. Man, that thing is massive. So I really hate to even show y'all this picture. They're coming out putting a garage door in right here. So they're going to tear that out, put a garage door there. So I took my 4-post lift, moved it over there. So if y'all remember, the lift kind of sat at an angle right here. Well, that's not going to be like that no more. So that garage door is going to be there where I could just pretty much drive in, do my thing. But this machine is so big that it had to go through a 12-foot door. With that being said, this is the only 12-foot door that I have. So, you know, it is what it is. So it was either get the building reconstructed in a certain area just in order for it to work, but that wasn't an option, or pretty much move my shop and make it the new machine room. So now the old machine room, I'm just going to actually make it my shop, and then, you know, so just pretty much change it on up. It sucks because I had already got my mural and everything done, you know, so that's not to say that I can't enjoy it like that, but I kind of always wanted that to be my little car workspace. And I guess it kind of lightweight still is with that, the lift on that side and all of that stuff. So, but anyway, it is what it is. So I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all, you know what I mean, pretty much what I got going on. I don't know if the guy is camera shy as far as on, I don't play with no bugs. Don't play with no bugs. So, but yeah, like I said, I don't know if the guy that's coming to buy this truck, you know what I mean, is real camera shy or not. But if he wants to be on camera, I'll definitely get him on here. And he definitely seemed pretty excited. I think his wife was a little bit more excited than he was. She's super cool. I love car people. Love car people. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this on off and keep it moving. I'm still gonna try and make something out of this day yet. So just stay tuned. And just like that, it's gone. I can't lie, that, oh man, that was one nice truck. I cannot wait to see what they do to that truck. Man, as if I thought it was good. I can only imagine what they're gonna even do to it once they finish it. That's gonna be a pretty nice truck. Man, bittersweet moment. I love the money, but I can't lie. I mean, me and that truck, we had a few years going pretty strong as far as on you know, the series and whatnot. So, but I'm thinking that he's gonna be real happy with it. He was like a kid in the candy store. His wife was too. If you ever see him out in traffic when they get that truck done, you know what I'm saying, make sure you go talk to him. Those were some of the coolest people that you would ever meet. I mean, very humble, just, yes, somebody you would definitely love to know. So definitely tip my hat off to them. Super cool people, and I love meeting people in my line of work. So like I said, just definitely keep that truck, you know what I mean, in mind. So like I said, if you ever see it, make sure you go check it out. So, but yeah, another one sold, and I'm finna get up out of here. I gotta get ready to pull my other truck in. I'm ready to go home, spend a little bit of time with my family. So got a whole lot going on around the shop today. I mean, it's probably gonna be one of them long days, probably for them more than it is for me. But anyway, you can see right behind me some doors. I think I had told y'all once before, I'm not for sure, but if I didn't, I'll tell y'all again. So I'm having a overhead door put in right here. Kick out the double doors right there, and like I said, I'm gonna put a 10 by 12 door, and then I'm gonna have my 4-post lift here. So as you remember, all of this used to be my shop space. Well, it just so happened that this machine is so large that it could not fit through the other door where my machine room is. So I had to kind of make do. Not only that, but in this right here, it's only this got a 12-foot door, and this is the only door in the shop that's got a 12-foot door. The other one is a 9-foot, and as you can see, that machine is pretty tall. So it was either having to raise the roof on a building or put it down here if I wanted this particular machine. So that's pretty much where we're at. I still got to go through, pretty much finish cleaning up and everything. But that's the new CNC. I still got to go through and wipe it down, because where they tarped it down, they tarp must have been dirty. So, but man, I mean, this machine is nice. Got lights all off up in it, big tool changer, double boxways. Actually, yeah, double boxways, controller, lights up top. And all that actually worked, conveyor belt, whatnot. So, but yeah, like I said, so now you see this door, and then in a second, you ain't gonna see it. So they're supposed to be here. Crews just called me, said that they'd be here shortly to go ahead on and they'd be here shortly to go ahead on and start tearing out. And then I'll be able to go ahead and start getting my shop back together. So, but yeah, that's pretty much what we're working on today. So I'm gonna be in the other room doing some machining up on some wheels, and let them go ahead and do their thing back here. And that's really about it. So just stay tuned. I'll show y'all that finished product. So I'm gonna go ahead on and show y'all that, you know what I mean, they done went ahead and finished their install as far as on this door. I'm really happy with it. They still got to come back and put some fascia up as far as up and around it. They got the wrong size, but that ain't no big deal. So he'll be back either tomorrow or the following day to go ahead on and get that fixed. So I got my lift set back down in place. Now all I gotta do is clean up. So this is the hard part, you know what I mean? But, well, I'll take that back. Coming out of the money is the hard part. The cleanup is probably the lesser of the two. But anyway, let's do a little walk around. So I got a lot more room up in here. I was able to push my lift back to where I still had room. So now, like I said, I got the overhead door. That's definitely a good thing. And then I got all of this stuff up over here I got to get moved. But you see the CNC machine up over there. I got to cut my steps down because I don't need them that tall. And then I got to place everything. So big 12-foot door. And I'm happy with it. So like I said, they still got to put the fascia up around here. But yeah, that's him right there. That's him. So super happy with that. now I can go ahead on and pull this truck on in there, and so I ain't got to keep moving it out every day. So I ain't got to keep moving that truck in and out every day. But yeah, so that's what I got going on today. Like I said, pretty much getting this door in there and starting to get this stuff together. It's kind of hard bouncing back and forth, you know what I mean, with so much stuff to do, with orders trying to fulfill and trying to, you know, not overwork myself and still be able to enjoy my weekends and stuff like that. So it's kind of hard, but I'm gonna have to try and maintain. So, but other than that, I'm gonna go ahead on and get up off of here. That's pretty much going to conclude this video right here. So I definitely appreciate y'all watching. So do me a favor before y'all leave this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. You already know it's the Dually King signing off. Peace.